India, the country where girls are considered as goddess. But as per the latest survey by Child Right NGO CRY, every 15 minutes a sexual assault is done on minor girls, and this increased up to 500% in last 10 years, and in the last year it went up to 1000% because of the lockdown, where men assaulted girls, especially the minor girls, just to satisfy their lust and greed. And this was not just the end, it converted into rape then murder. We have seen the case of Nirbhaya and we have seen other cases as well in India, but this time it happened in the place which is considered as the most safest in India, Northeast, in Assam, in Karbi Anglong area in the district Nagaon. This area is a home to 10 lakh Karbi tribal people who are right now fighting for the justice of a 12-year-old girl who not just lost her life, but she was brutally raped, burned and set on fire.
Sumila, a 12-year-old Kirby girl from a remote area of West Kirbi, Anglong district, was brutally murdered in Raha town, Nagaon district by her employer. She was working as domestic servant for 5 years and was sexually assaulted regularly for 5 years. And yes, as per the Assam State Commission for Protection of Child Right, she was not just killed, but she was pregnant before she was killed. She was about to tell these things to the people all around. Employer bought her to assist in their household activities with a deal to offer her a quality education and bright future. But the same employer burnt her and her dreams in the broad daylight on 22nd of April 2021, and sadly she could not get saved by anyone around. And what's more shocking to believe, no news has been published in state media, no support has been given by the state government as well.
These 10 lakh Karbi tribal people are fighting for the justice of 12-year-old girl Sumila, and these were those two owners, and these two owners not just played with her life or just used her like an object, but they treated her like an animal. But one day this girl Sumila decided that she is not gonna take this more. She gonna raise the voice, but these dirty owners suppressed her voice. They burned her, they murdered her, and then thrown away like garbage. She was used. Not used, she was misused only because for one reason, because she was poor, she didn't have voice, and she was tribal. Just because of being tribal, she has been used, misused, and now the voice has been suppressed, and people are trying to suppress the voice. Even the administration is not taking action, and I urge the administration to take the action right away, right now. And even the students union, they are very angry.
Hello everyone. In case you do not know, a small girl, a 12-year-old girl named Sumila Ronghangpe was sexually assaulted and was burned alive by Prakash Borthakur and his family at Roha, Nagaon district on 22nd of April 2021. And post-mortem report showed that she was pregnant. Yes, the small girl, the 12-year-old girl was pregnant. And no media, no politician is paying any interest on this matter. No one is showing any news of this matter, just because the girl belonged to a poor tribal family and just because she is not the daughter of any political leader. I am ashamed to say that I belong to such a society where girls are being burned, where girls are being raped, and no one cares about it. Neither the state media nor the political leaders, and no one. And one sentence for the state media: if you are not speaking against the culprits, you are with the culprits.
Not only this, my friend, once I raised the voice for a scheduled caste as well in Hathras rape case, and that rape case was also suppressed, and I have a proof also. And this is the thing you can see on the screen, my friend. YouTube sent me a notice that your video will remain hidden in India because the government complained. So guys, this is a proof that in India, if you raise the voice against the government and if the government is supporting the cause, your video will be shut down. They have full rights. Now the voice of expression is not just voice of expression, or freedom of speech is not there right now. That is given in the constitution. The rights are in the hand of the government. So now this is the hand of you and me, which can really make a big difference. We have to raise our hand and we have to really fight for justice for Sumila, so that the people should not use the tribal people like garbage and throw them in the ditch. What do you think? The people who have done the act, you have done a really great thing. Shame on you, and the shame on your administration and even the Assam government need to take the action as soon as possible. This is not the first time. I researched about it 3 years back also. One case happened, the gang rape happened, and then no justice was given at that time as well. You can see on the screen, guys, in the same place in Karbi Anglong. And why this is happening in this area, so much of discrimination with the tribal people, I cannot tolerate this, and I request to the government and I urge to the government to take action ASAP, so that this incident should not happen again. And I urge the people of India to share the video if you have respect for girls, and if you really believe that this video can really make some difference. This is on you now, and I'm making this video because the national media doesn't want to promote this thing, and even the Assamese media. This is the video I made on the request of all the Kirby people, because they really believe in me, and I thank you so much for believing in me. And I request the government to really give the justice, and the people demand the death penalty as soon as possible for all the culprits, for both of them. Nobody should be left without justice. Justice delayed is justice denied, and I request you, we need to fight for the justice, and I'm here to fight for it. Kirby people, I am with you. Share the video as much as possible so that we can fight together. We can really get the justice for 12-year-old school girl. And this is the time we have to really be together. And if you believe I have said something true and said something honest, share the video and do not forget to be a part of our initiative. We are here to make the world a better place. And if you want to join it, just hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I want to say, Mr. Modi, if this was the case of your daughter, if this was the case of your mother or your sister, will you sit like this silently? Why there has not been a single tweet about justice for Sumila?
NRPM नरेंद्र मोदी, लेकिन आपका बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ का क्या? नहीं बच रही है बेटियां, नहीं पढ़ रही है बेटियां, रेप हो रही है बेटियों की, जिंदा जला दिया जा रहा है बेटियों को.
Do not forget to join me on Instagram and tell me how you feel about my initiative.
I'll come in the next video, and never forget, love always wins. See you.